Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to unlink audio from a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, first you have to go to the edit menu here, and then let's say if you want to unlink the audio from here, as you can see there is a link sign, so it means that all these three clips here, two audios and a video file, they are connected. So if I move now the audio, it becomes red and it shows the difference as I move, because now they are all connected. So if I want to disconnect them or unlink them, then I select all of them and then I right click, and right now all these clips are connected. That's why it shows that the link clips are, as you can see, there is a tick mark, so that means they're connected. So just uncheck it. As you can see, the connecting sign has gone now from the clips. So friends, this is how you simply can disconnect the audio from the clip in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.